Brian Gillis.
Yeah, okay. So this is a good pivotal one, which is PARP, prepare, audit, rehearse, and before we present repair work to customers. And this one, I'm just going to emphasize on the preparation side and the importance of checking the customer history. Had an individual visiting a shop, and the advisor was walking into the waiting room to present a customer with a brake fluid service. Um, and then without doing his preparation ahead of time, right? That's why we have these checklists, what we want to do before we go in to present repair work. And this individual neglected to check the customer history. So when he goes in the waiting room, he's presented with a brake fluid service that the technician had written up based on mileage. And this service had already been performed on the previous visit by that same customer. And so it was not due again, and the fluid was not in poor condition. And so, just following those steps it's mission critical because in my opinion, there's no recovery from presenting repair work that is not needed. There's just, you're an incompetent person or you're a crook. And so to me, there's nothing you can do besides just doing your due diligence up front. All the things that we talk about, Gary, when it comes down to preparing before you present repair work. And so that was a pivotal point just because from that once that happened to this individual, then I wanted to really emphasize it with everyone else and share that story because I could feel the shame he felt. I could feel it myself. And
Yeah,
heck, he was representative of mine in our company. And so, but what do you do, right? Other than learn from it and just never, never, ever let it happen again.
yeah, yeah.
No.